Question number 12, plot a graph of the equation y equals a half x plus 5. Best way to start, and the reason why they've left a gap here is so that you can do some working out, put in a table of values. It doesn't really matter what x values you give in this case. I'm just picking numbers that are going to be easy to work with. This equation tells us the relationship between the x coordinates and the y coordinates on the line. It tells us that if we take the x coordinate, half it, and then add 5, we get the y value. So half of 1 is a half, plus 5 is 5.5. Half of 2 is 1, plus 5 is 6. Half of 3 is 1.5, plus 5 is 6.5. Half of 4 is 2, plus 5 is 7. So when x is 1, y is 5.5. Plot all of these on your graph. When x is 1, y is 5.5. Be very careful to read the scale before you start. Make sure you're plotting in the right place. When x is 2, y is 6. When x is 3, y is 6.5. When x is 4, y is 7. Your points should go in a straight line for an equation that looks like this. If it's got an x squared in or an x cubed in, it won't be a straight line, but in this case it is. What you need to do to get the final mark is make sure that you join up all the points and you extend your line right the way across the axes. Go and revise graphs of linear equations or straight line graphs for question number 12.